Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create our own sticker for Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all I'm going to create a story on my Instagram. I'm going to upload this photo to my story, and if we want to create our own sticker, we can click on the sticker icon and then you can click on the cutouts option. Alright, and choose a photo or an image you want to create a sticker. And for example, I'm going to select this image. Alright, and we just need to wait for a moment. And now the sticker has been created guys, and we'll be able to use the sticker for our Instagram story. I'm just going to click on use sticker, and we can zoom in or zoom out like this, and we can also sorry, I have duplicated the sticker, and we can also place the sticker to any part of our story. I'm going to place it right here. Once you're ready to share your story, you just need to click on your story, and then the story will be shared to your Instagram. Okay, and this is the result guys, and that's how we can create our own sticker for Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.